Now, when it comes to turkey, you always want to make sure you're brining. I know I say brine all proteins, but especially turkey. This is going to make it more juicy, more tender, add a lot of moisture to the cook, and make sure that it retains that moisture. So we're going to do what's called a wet brine here, which is basically submerging the bird into a solution. So I used Cabela's brine. There are a number of different brines you can find either at grocery stores or at sporting goods stores. You can order off Amazon. They all got different flavor profiles. You'll find the one that works for you. So what you want to do is take that brine and mix it in. It'll tell you with a certain amount of water. Some of them you need to boil to get all the aromatics infused into the water. Others you just have to stir. But you're going to need a brining bag with your brine. And this is just a large plastic bag. You can put it directly into a container like a cooler or something. I don't recommend that. I like to keep it clean, and unless you have a dedicated cooler, that's all you're using it for. So we're going to take this turkey that we just carved up, put it into the brining bag. Now I'm going to add the water. I'm not going to attempt to do it here because that's going to make a horrible mess. So I'm going to do it in the sink. You're just going to have to trust me on that I am doing this in a sink and bring it back. And through the magic of video, the brining bag is full. Now I'm going to take this, try to get as much air out of it as I can, and I'm going to put it in a cooler with ice, and I'm going to leave this overnight. When I say overnight, I try to do 24 to 36 hours if I can help it. The more time that it's in there, the more it's going to absorb the solution. Once it's done, take it out. I typically don't rinse it. Some people do recommend it. I don't, just because I don't want the turkey juice being splattered all over the place. At that point, the bird is going to be ready for any type of seasoning. I leave mine out to dry out in a refrigerator, just so the skin gets drier, so it's ready for the deep fryer. But this is how you brine a bird. Good luck, folks.